Oh, where did that come from?
Jackson! I'm enraged that you would purposely burp on live TV!
Oh boy. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh! Jackson! I'm ashamed of you! Burping in front of a lady at a formal banquet! Shame on you! According to the label, it has 100 times the carbonation of regular soda.
What? Oh no! You guys, I'm in serious trouble. I can't stop burping. I think my coach is one burp away from blowing up.
Oh! Whoa! That felt like an aftershock.
Sorry, coach, buddy. I'm burping more now.
Aren't you going to greet the owners of our sport?
Thank you, sir. It's a pleasure to meet you and your family.
We came back! Sponsor us!
Oh boy! It's a great soap. Sorry, I'm just a little gassy. Oh wow, where'd that come from?